DongSen Electronic Technology Company Limited, located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong. Owns 2 factories, Qihang Prototype Factory and Hongli Precision Factory. Is a professional customized CNC machining service, 3D printing service, rapid prototype service, and mold making service factory. We have advantages in processing, technology, and production services. Precision mechanical manufacturing 0.005 minus 0.01 mm tolerance. We strive to create cost-effective products for customers. We has more than 50 skilled employees and more than 20 machines, with more than 16 3-axis CNC machines, 4 4-axis CNC machines, 1 vacuum casting machine, 4 SLA machines, and more than 20 other supporting processing machines. We operate 24/7 with extremely short lead times to assist clients with very tight deadlines.